dog who barks all day. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish who swims along. G is for goat who likes to chew. H is for hat that's new and blue. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jelly, shiny and bold. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for moon that lights the night. N is for nest where birds take flight. O is for owl who says hoo hoo. P is for panda eating bamboo. Q is for queen with crown so bright. R is for rainbow full of light. S is for sun that shines all day. T is for train that chugs away. Let. Q is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin playing again. W is for whale so big and blue. X is for Santa playing for you.